Hello, in today's video we're building the foundation for a powerful open source SIEM tool called Wazuh. If you're interested in cybersecurity or want hands-on experience, you're in the right place. Wazuh is a security, information, and event management known as SIEM. It's used by cybersecurity and IT teams to detect threats, monitor logs, and respond to incidents across the entire network. It's a widely used program that's used in the real world that can help you prepare for future SOC analyst roles by setting up and using the tools that they use along the way. In this video, we're only going to focus on the Wazuh Indexer. The Wazuh Indexer is a full text search and analytics engine. It's the first step to our full Wazuh deployment. Note that we're doing a clean setup with no Dockers on a single Ubuntu virtual computer. And after this, we'll walk you through the rest of the Wazuh stack, including the server, the dashboard, and later agents in the coming videos. Make sure to subscribe and check the playlist so you don't miss those. Now let's get started. Before we begin, let's update the package manager to make sure everything's up to date. Next, we're downloading the Wazuh certification tool and configuration file. These will generate the SSL certification that will encrypt communication in between the Wazuh components. Now that we're configuring the SSL certification script by specifying the IP addresses of the nodes that we need to steer the communication between. This includes the Wazuh server, indexer, and dashboard. And also note, if you had a Wazuh cluster with multiple nodes, the master node is the one that coordinates the communication during boot. Now we're running the Wazuh cert tool script to create the certifications. If this was a multi-node cluster, you'd need to run the script on each node. Now we're compressing the certification and removing temporary files to prepare for the next step. We're now installing the Wazuh repository. This only needs to be done once for the whole entire setup. Now we're going to be installing the Wazuh Indexer. Now we're configuring the Wazuh Indexer to tell the configuration files what IP address it's running at. Now we're deploying the SSL certifications to encrypt in communication between the Wazuh central components, starting with the Wazuh Indexer first. Now that everything is set up, we're going to start the Wazuh Indexer and make sure that everything is running properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notified when the next video on setting up the Wazuh server is released.